Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So today is Monday, the day of Lord Shiva. So maybe let's work on chanting Om Namah Shivaya 108 times, or hear the Mahamrityunjay mantra 108 times, and if possible you can give some sugarcane juice for Abhishek in your nearby Shiv temple, because they say when you give sugarcane juice, it is said to bring good luck and abundance in our lives. So you can do that. And today the color what you can wear is green. So let's see what is in cards today. Okay, be candid. Again, this card had already come recently, talking about working on your on your throat chakra. Sorry, because sometimes we just don't tell what is in our hearts, and then things get stuck in our lives. So Ganesha is asking you to open up and talk, and he is asking you to work more on your root chakra, so that whatever you desire, that happens. But let me pull one more card. Priorities. Maybe you're not talking out your priorities. Maybe you're just doing everyone's work the way everyone wants you to do, and you're not speaking up that you have your own personal works too, and you need to work on your own personal life too. Here I think priorities, what I see here when I see the card, I feel prioritizing is needed on your health, on your self love, on taking care of yourself also. Maybe take a short break, and maybe just go for a small vacation. If you can't go for a vacation, just take one day time out and just spend for yourself. Go and do things that you like doing, because sometimes we get so grounded, or we get so grinded, not grounded, grinded in our daily life, that we forget to give ourselves the priority and time. And we also, here I also feel the throat chakra is saying about talking to your in your work life, because you're not openly talking. You see injustice happening to you, but you still allow it to happen. You see people not giving you due credit, you still allow it to happen. So speak up there and take a break. If you do that, what will happen? The third card, I felt like taking a third card out today. It's a positive outlook. So everything will become positive, everything will go the way you desire. So it's now in your hands. You need to speak where you need to speak, and you need to be firm where you need to be firm, and openly work on yourself. Maybe what you can do is today make up your mind that you will take a break on this day, and you go and speak to your office members and tell them you're going to take a break and switch off your mobiles, or just go for a small break, not worrying about everything else. And when you come back, you will be rejuvenated, and you will know what has to be done and how you need to take your personal life and professional life forward. Have a blessed day. Thank you.